I have full confidence this is not going to happen with you at the helm. But can you unpack a little bit this thought? Do you see a first mover advantage in introducing CBDC? Do you think that technology might put us in a difficult place by changing the options in front of us? How do you think in the Fed about this technology being already present and pressing on this issue?
Thank you. So the sense of that comment was really that I feel that we have an obligation to stay on the forefront of policy and technological innovation and developments as regards payments, cross-border payments, CBDC, all of those things, rather than that I felt anything needed to happen quickly or imminently. In fact, I actually do think this is one of those issues where it's more important for the United States to get it right than it is to be first. Given the dollar's important role globally, it's essential that we remain on the frontier of research and policy development. The dollar is the world's principal reserve currency, and there continues to be large global demand for Federal Reserve notes. There's about $2 trillion worth of Federal Reserve notes in circulation, and we estimate that somewhere close to half of that value in notes is held outside of the United States. Use of and trust in the dollar comes from the reliable rule of law, strong and transparent institutions, deep financial markets, and an open capital account. A healthy and efficient payment system demands these features, which reach far beyond the merely technological. So we do think it's more important to get it right than to be the first. And getting it right means that we not only look at the potential benefits of a CBDC, but also the potential risks and also recognize the important trade-offs that have to be thought through carefully. We have a responsibility both to the U.S. and to the world that any steps taken for a U.S. digital currency be taken safely. We're absolutely committed to the soundness of the dollar and to safe and efficient U.S. dollar payment systems. So in addition to assessing the benefits, and there may well be benefits, there are also some quite difficult policy and operational questions that need to be thoroughly evaluated. And just to mention a few, I would mention the need to protect a CBDC from cyber attacks, counterfeiting, and fraud, the question of how a CBDC would affect monetary policy and financial stability, and also how could a CBDC prevent illicit activity while also preserving user privacy and security. Assuming that those things can be resolved, yes, there are potential benefits, but that's going to take a lot of work and thought, we believe. So they're not simple questions, and the answers are going to need to be comprehensively understood. So I'll stop there. Thanks.
Well, thank you.